Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to witness is not your average Rolls-Royce. Oh no, this ain't just any luxury SUV. This is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, slammed so low it's practically kissing the pavement. Once the proud high rider of the Rolls-Royce family, the Cullinan used to float a glorious 7.5 inches above the ground. That's ancient history now. Because RBDLA just took that elegance and dragged it down to earth, literally. Say goodbye to SUV tradition and say hello to pure, unapologetic flex. This is RBDLA's third custom Cullinan, in collab with 1016 Industries, and it's wearing the brand new Series II widebody kit like a crown. A very wide crown. And those wheels? Yeah. Forget 24s. This beast is rolling on 26-inch forged monsters. Cadillac Escalade, who? This isn't a car. This is a rolling fashion statement screaming, "Look at me," from every possible angle. Every detail, from the front fascia to the forged carbon diffuser, has been redesigned for maximum drama. It's not just a Cullinan anymore. It's a big white, a California ghost that glides millimeters above the ground with enough presence to stop traffic in 3 zip codes. But wait, surprise! You thought the interior would match that icy exterior? Think again. Inside, it's BAM! Mandarin Orange with black accents. It's bold. It's loud. It's exactly the kind of attitude this slammed monster deserves. Now, in case you're wondering, yes, under all that wild styling, the mechanical soul remains untouched. That glorious 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 still spits out 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, taking this lowrider to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. That's supercar speed, in a car that weighs as much as a small moon. And the price? Oh, sweet luxury has its price. This wide-body kit alone? $70,000. And that's on top of the Cullinan's $410,000 base price. That's nearly $500,000 for a car that struggles with speed bumps. And loves it. This is not just a ride. It's a statement. And that statement is clear. Money talks, but style screams.